Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And today we're doing another unboxing video, and today it's the Sodastream Jet. So when you open the box, there is a little note saying "Honey, I'm home." I don't know if that's like a pun or something, which I'm missing, but so you open the box, you get a manual, tells you how to use everything, blah blah blah. And then you get a bottle of CO2 you can put in the back of it, and then to like put soda inside your drink to make it bubbly. Also, this is a kit, so as you can see on the back it says that you get the CO2, the actual big thing, and then a bottle and a cap. Now the cap you get is it's one. That's the cap you get. You put this on top of your drink, I'm guessing, when you put your CO2 inside of it. So as you can see, you get a bottle with it, and the CO2 goes through that tube. You can take the bottle out, as you can see. It's like a press thing here, and you can input the CO2 with this button you press at the top. The 60 liters of carbon dioxide that you get in this thing, you can make about 90 bottles of this thing. So you can put water inside of this, so you can make about 90, you can pretty much use this about 90 times with this one bottle. So now, as you can see, on top of this, there's like a peel tab, and then you peel it, and then it's like a normal canister. Small cap, and you put this in to here, and then you have to put this back on. And now, as you can see, there is gas coming out of that. So now we're going to fill up with water and show you that it actually works. As you can see now, I have poured the bottle full of lemonade, and now we're going to put it inside. Now in the instruction manual it says, if you want strong carbonation, you should put 5 pumps. If you want light carbonation, 3 pumps, and vice versa. So I'm going to do 5 pumps. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It did spill a little bit. 5. So now I'm gonna remove it. Oh, and pour into my glass. I'm gonna have a drink. Yeah, that's way more carbonated. So if you enjoyed this review, please subscribe. And I will leave the link to this product in the description if you want to buy it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.